Set up internal link in all posts. Not all posts on your website are equally popular or ranked in search engines. So how to increase visitors to the rest of the post? For this, you can do internal link. You need to find out first the page or post that ranked well in search engines, that is get good visitors. Now link new or less popular posts from those pages or posts. This will increase the chances of increasing the number of traffic on that page. If you look at Wikipedia, you will see that each of their pages are at the root of such a good ranking by the internal links in the right way.